out the hood, but I'm hood melodic. I smoke good narcotics, keep my diamonds polished. Throwing diamond honest, keep no dollars coming. Look at all this money, this is how I was summer. I'm out the hood, but I'm still a hood baby. I still going crazy, I made these labels pay me. I bought a new Mercedes, I come from.
So far, the markets have not been very favorable, and something that I've learned over the months of March and April is... Alright guys, welcome from Mallorca. I think I'm gonna start this video with a little bit of a house tour that we got going on here. Alright, so first of all of these houses in Mallorca are a little bit of this type of style, you know? You don't really see many modern houses. They're more like, you feel like you're in Tuscany, Italy or something. It's more like this type of vibe. So I'm really happy with this house because you have big gate, a lot of parking space, and then you have all of this nature here, a lot of grass, a big pool and a big porch. So we're gonna be spending some time here grilling, cooking. I'm gonna be trading from over there. From the inside there's an office that I'm gonna show you, but this place just gives this extremely quiet, extremely away from everything type of vibe, which I really like, especially me coming from Dubai, living in a city, a very active city. Sometimes you miss a place like this, a place where it's a little bit of more quiet. Wow, I just have a cat walk into the house. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. It's a wild cat. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this cat. I'm allergic to cats. I'm allergic to cats. So, you walk in, you have this staircase with a fucking bike on the wall. And as you can see, like the interior, the stuff here, it's more like, let's say a little bit traditional style. You have maid's room here. But what I like here, it has these big windows and it opens up to the view. Then you have this living room, which is also nice with a window that opens up to the view. Then you have guest bathroom. You have 2 single beds. You have another guest bedroom with double bed and a private shower and a toilet. And now when you walk upstairs, I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom where I'm staying. Oh, I haven't been in that place. I will show you around. So here is a little office area. I think that's where I'm gonna be doing my trading throughout the day. Nice little couch, office space. This chair will not be too comfortable to sit for a long time, but we'll manage. Again, the view. And here is the master bedroom. Again, nothing crazy. Some stuff is already out. Shower, toilet. As you can see, the thing is, in places like this, you can't be too picky about small things. What you need to value in the places like this here, it's the quietness, it's the nature, it's the stillness, you know? That's something I really wanted, and I think this place gives it all. Of course, we're gonna try to bump some music throughout the day while we're swimming. Welcome to the house in Mallorca. I love this place, man. Intro. I hope the door doesn't shut because you can only walk in with the keys, and Celine is right now in a grocery store shopping for groceries and stuff like that. I already have my laptop set up here, trading while enjoying the view. Absolute. Oh my god, look at that. US 100 crashed while I was recording the video, but there was no accumulation, no setups that I could have taken, so I didn't miss anything. There was a little bit of accumulation around this area, which is interesting. Right here we have accumulation, and then here we have breakout. So if we got a retest and CVD divergence right here, retest, CVD divergence, I might take this trade. That's a solid 3-minute accumulation on Dow Jones. So far, the markets have not been very favorable. And something that I've learned over the months of March and April is understanding which market conditions are favorable to my trading strategy and which are not. And even though those were very tough months, they taught me a great lesson that I can use for the future, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm now way better in spotting good and bad market conditions for the strategy, and then either it's a green light, I trade, I'm active, or a red light, I just step away and do nothing pretty much. I actually like this setup. We'll also check the dashboard. So some of you know, some of you might not know, I am a hybrid trader. And the whole hybrid trading concept came alive from my experience of trading 10 years. My experience of trading 10 years, noticing that fundamentals and specific global events are affecting the markets more and more. If you see the news, if you follow the tweets, one tweet by a person can drive the markets. And I realized that with the help of AI, if we're not capitalizing on these fundamentals, if we're not using them to our advantage, if we're not using AI to our advantage to trade, we're being left behind. If you look at any other space, dropshipping uses AI, restaurants even uses AI to book the tables. Every niche of every type of business uses AI. Meanwhile, traders are behind and they're not using AI. So I was like, how can we connect all of these dots? How can we use AI? How can we start capitalizing on fundamentals and at the same time use our technical analysis skills to make money in the markets? This is when I got the idea. I started developing the idea. I built a whole team around it, and this hybrid trader dashboard came to life. If you see, you can see different type of assets with AI analysis, and is the asset bullish or bearish fundamentally? It tells you all of that, because these boxes are not just one piece of information. These boxes are information from different websites, from different data reports, from tweets, from all the possible sources. AI takes all of that data and it summarizes it, and it tells you how these events or these reports are affecting the markets. In this case, you have gold being 70% bullish and it's up 0.46% for the day. US 100 being bullish with 70% confidence and it's up 0.62% per day. Then you have capital flow, currency strength meter. We just introduced new stuff, which is community. So you have people sharing, for example, their trade ideas inside of the dashboard. Craziest part about this dashboard to me is the journal. It tracks all of your trades and it will tell you what you're doing wrong based on the patterns that happen that you don't notice. For example, your least profitable trading session, your most profitable trading session, your most profitable or least profitable trading assets. What's the percentage you're going to lose the next trade if you lost already 2 trades? All of these small things, AI does it for you. So if you want to join the waitlist for the dashboard, because we are launching really soon, you can join the waitlist by clicking the link in the description. And by clicking the link in the description and signing up, you'll get 1 week for free, full access to the dashboard. So go ahead and do that. All right, guys. So currently trading live with my community. We took 1 trade and we lost it. And then we re-entered the same setup, same execution. Here live with all the members. And we're currently dropping. Beautiful trade on GBP/USD. I used my so-called OG strategy I've been using for years and years and years. And recently I've been only trading CVD strategy, which is 1-minute scalping strategy. And after a while, I have decided to enter, after finding a decent setup on GBP/USD, and enter a currency setup. So we took GBP/USD shorts. Unfortunately, after the price broke above premium Fibonacci levels, I closed half of my position in small drawdown, and then eventually price dropped. So I would probably have double the profits that I'm currently having, but the trade is looking good. Who entered the trade?
Yeah, I'll win either.
Okay, very nice.
I think everyone did.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm out of it. I got stopped out.
Very nice. Here in beautiful Mallorca. Good morning, everyone. I literally have this random cat from outside. We gave her food once and now she keeps coming back, just entering the house. So probably previous guests were feeding her too, and now it's her house. But woke up on a beautiful weather here in Mallorca. I want to show you something funny. So you can see there's one umbrella here, and there used to be another umbrella here, right at this area, in that thing. And overnight, that umbrella went all the way over there because it was really, really windy, and it just took it out and flew. But guys, I want to show you something. Finally, after insanely stupid market conditions, I was able to catch a nice trade. Hopefully still running a profit while I'm recording this. But I have been facing, not in a way terrible market conditions, ever since my record month in March, where I made $440,000. April was bad. I lost some money. Not crazy, but I lost some money. Took a lot of bad trades, like a lot of forced trades, because I was overly confident. I got my nose up, and I was just taking whatever, thinking I'm the best in the world. May was slightly better market conditions, still making mental errors, had a slightly profitable month. June, I learned from all of the mistakes. Not that I learned, it's more that I have been reminded about two main emotions that controls when you're trading, fear and greed. I was very greedy. So I was reminded, I took a step back, I analyzed my performance, and I made adjustments. So the whole June, I was barely taking any trades. I think it's June 11. I took 2 trades this month or 3 trades this month, something around that. Because I was only taking great setups. Since the last couple months were not great market conditions, and I did some mental mistakes. So this morning, I took a trade. I think I'm gonna have to take my laptop inside because it's very sunny. Here's the trade, which is currently running 1 to 3 risk to reward. Here, I shared the setup. I shared 2 charts. This chart where I explained 3-minute accumulation, then we go to 1-minute time frame, aggressor candle with low volume pocket, break above, retest, and then we have a 1 minute. See the divergence. Look at this cat. It's rubbing against me. Look, you see? Look. You see? And I'm allergic to cats. So yeah, I took this trade. It's currently running a profit. I think I'm gonna run it. Here it is. $25,000. Finally a nice trade running in profit, in a decent profit. I risked $5,600 on this trade, and I'm currently $22,000 in profit. We'll see how that goes. What's going on, guys? I have arrived to Home Beach Club here in Mallorca. Selena is also coming. Selena's mother coming. I'm gonna spend the day at the beach club. Let me give you an update on my trade. It's running. Oh shit. Let me get in the shade so you guys can see. Running strong in profit. 36.16 already closed. I closed early here at this point. And running 36. Risked $5,600 on this trade. I need to set my stops to break even. Now running risk free. Expecting $64,000 profit on 5.6 risk. Here's the beach club. It is my first time here. It's everywhere first time in Mallorca. It's my first time in Mallorca in general. But the views look insane. Let me show you around. It's pretty nice views for a beach club / restaurant. That's crazy, no? Look at those yachts parked over there. And maybe not a couple years, maybe 5 years. Those further ones, not this close one. There's some big ones parked. Ever since I've been in Mallorca, I've seen so many big boats parked up. Let me show you the beach club. Nice, no? Guys, we just received some food. Oh, I love this salad.
Me too.
That's why I ordered it.
Can we put some on top?
Yeah, a little bit. Hey! Let's eat. Update on the trade. I'm looking to short gold. I'm looking on my phone because I'm looking on my phone.
This guy.
That's me. That's me. I'm looking to short gold. Also based on the dashboard on the fundamentals, we're bearish, right? If we look at deep dive, it's loading. So I have a gum in my mouth. 1 second. So we have very cautious bearish bias. Technicals and macro aligned to the downside. So if I get a bearish close, we just did, I'm gonna enter it actually now as we speak. There's my second trade of the day. Stop loss. There we go. All right, let's see how it works out. TP 11,000. Let's see how this goes. Look at that entry. Look at that entry. Come on. On my phone. Something I don't do often, but stops at break even. Risk-free trade. Just like that. Simple systematic process, simple systematic repeatable process that you execute every day, no matter where you are, no matter how you do it. It just works, man. Crazy. The market conditions starting to look much better now. Way more volatility, bigger swings, clear market structure. Much easier to trade the last couple days comparing to the last couple months. How is your food?
Let's get a drink.
Let's get a drink. Tequila shots?
No.
Why not? Why not?
Gin tonic.
Gin tonic. Oh my god. Right in front
I
of me.
told you to do it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Wow. While I was eating food, okay? That is fucking nuts. Wait. And unfortunately, I didn't send this to my community. I was too busy recording. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm recording myself. My stop loss was above this high. My take profit was here.
Why don't you do it on the laptop?
It's charging. I was using my laptop all the time and it was died. It's easy work. Nasdaq TP hit. I'm sorry, not Nasdaq. Gold TP hit in a couple minutes, literally. Here, but I have bad news. DJI is dropping bad. DJI almost hit my stop loss at break even. Let's see if it pushes back up. I'm not very confident right now in what I see here, but at least gold we capitalized. I wish my stop loss was a little bit lower. I'm not stop loss, but take profit. This would have been easy 1 to 7 in a couple of minutes. So show me the front. Oh, it's not bad, not bad. It's classier. Guys dealing with some family issues here. Don't know what to dress up for in Mykonos. Okay. Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, so loud.
Fuck. I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot. What's going on, vlog? Saying hi from this absolutely gorgeous Mallorca. Just finished playing golf. Heading home. Decided to pick up the camera and start a vlog here. I've been here for the past week or so. Absolutely enjoying my time here. Look at these insanely beautiful and expensive villas around this area. I have to bring this around since the golf course is smaller. They don't have the carts to drive around, so I definitely did like 15,000 steps already. In this heat, we'll be going to get some lunch. It's a weekend right now, so I'm going to be recording all this stuff, and then on Monday we're back to trading. So we'll be recording for the next. Just look at this golf course, guys. Absolutely stunning. Enjoyed playing here. One thing I didn't like is the walking stuff. The fact that we had to walk everywhere, so I'm really exhausted. But other than that, I'll be trying other golf courses around the area, which is exciting. I love playing golf. I think I haven't played golf in over a month because Dubai was getting too hot, and now I'm in Mallorca. The weather is nice. I can go back to playing. I think we'll do once a week. But today we're also going to have some lunch in a beautiful hotel, which I'm gonna show you. And yeah, we're gonna have some Malta life. Not Malta, Mallorca life, some island life from now on for a bit. I have some trips planned to Ibiza, Saint-Tropez, some other places. So we'll be taking you along everywhere I go. Make sure you're subscribed. Let's get it. What's going on, gangsters? We have arrived to yet another beach club. My vlogs are beach clubs and beach clubs and beach clubs. Now look at this beautiful place. Me and Mrs. Selena. No more drinking, no more partying. Yeah, healthy. We have bad sleep, we have bad everything. Ever since we arrived to Mallorca, every single day, at least we go out to dinner, at least we have a bottle of wine or something. I think it reminds me of Mykonos a little bit.
This year?
Yeah, so we decided to not do it anymore. Today is Sunday, tomorrow market's open. So one more day of chill, simple stuff, and then we're gonna move into work mode again. I've been working a lot lately here, and yeah, on the weekends I choose to relax. So one more day of relaxation and then we do work.
Here, the champagne menu and the wine list.
Our player has arrived. We sat down here. Everyone is so loud here. Everyone is drinking. Do you hear it? Insanely loud. And yeah, about to have some food. Look at the view. Right, beach day is done. I came to realization once again that people from UK are so fucking loud. So loud. Guys, look who's here. We're going to have some lunch. Where?
Hotel Bendinant.
Hotel Bendinant. We already had lunch there once, but I didn't record anything. So we're back, so I can show you guys how cool.
It's your new favorite place.
Yeah, it's my new favorite place. They have like rocks you can jump off of, but we're not wearing swimsuits. We're not gonna go swimming. Maybe later we'll show you around. But yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday morning in Mallorca. You got some nice houses around the area.
How was the drive?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. So, Selena borrowed the car from her friend and it's a manual. And I'm embarrassed to say that, but I really suck driving manual.
But I have a question.
Yeah,
when
what?
you go on a racetrack, it's always manual.
But it's like this, you know?
I thought it's not
You
like
just
this.
shift gears with paddles on the back steering wheel. There's no third thing, nothing like that. So like when I drive, for example, Porsche fast, I always go into manual, but the way you shift gears is with just paddles on the
I didn't
steering.
do that.
Yeah, you don't go in a race car and do all of that.
That's what I thought.
Maybe back in the day that's what you're doing, but not anymore. So I never like had a chance. Like it's probably my 4th time driving manual today. Like I passed my driver's test with a manual, and then ever since then I had a manual Jeep in Mykonos, and somewhere else I drove manual, but that's pretty much that.
Yeah, to bookstore. Look at the sign.
Super nice. But as you can see, guys, here, like, even if you go to a nice place, there's not many nice cars. Like, just simple car. Like, that's like a nice vintage. But in general, it's just like regular cars. Yeah. I hit my head here last time. Oh, well, I fell off the stairs. I'm not wearing slippery slippers anymore. Alright, guys. After a very quiet week in the markets, we're here to eat some fish. Oh, look, they're preparing it. Insane views. This place is so relaxing. The first time we arrived here, I was like, I really fell in love with this place because it's just so relaxing. It's like one of the places from the movies, you know? People from all over the world. You hear some Americans, you hear some Italians, you hear Germans. Germans are everywhere here. When I was playing golf, everyone was speaking German to each other. Everyone. Literally.
Look at the fish.
They're uncovering the fish from the salt. Okay, thanks. With my banhan. What's this face? Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's eat.